Alright, how you going, guys? Welcome to another episode. Right, I plan on doing this. So that's a 6 kilo crucible. And I plan on doing the pipe there, that's 3/4, ½ inch, and a little bit of, I don't know what that is, 8mm. Maybe some of that, we'll see how we go. I plan on doing it's actually finally a cool day. Like, it's been hot for the last 2 months, and I've been tired and overworked, so today is a bloody good day. So we're going to do it this morning. So here we go. Okay, how are we looking? It's starting to get all glowy red. Yeah, my furnace is going to need a bit of attention. You can see the top's bulging, so the metal's sort of rising, and that the cable's sort of dropping. We've got a few cracks in there, so I really need to pay attention to that. So slowly, it'll just start crumbling soon and just melt. Anyway, I've got myself a cuppa. I've cleaned these out already. Just quickly come over here and we'll see how we're going here. We're going good. I filled the gas bottle up yesterday. Alright. When that's ready, we'll do our first pour. Thanks, guys, for joining my channel too. I'm really trying to pump out as much copper as I can. Storing it is just, I saw in the last video, storing it is just taken over. So I've got to really get it cut up and melt and that type of thing. So I could have moved the fight put over, couldn't I? But anyway, so I really want to get this melted, at least get that melted. I know that's 6 kilo, and you're probably looking at 4 kilo in there. 4, 5, 6. We're probably going to get 12, and if I go into that, we could probably get 16 or 18. So there's the one we did. I actually did that video yesterday. The enamel copper one. That was the last video. That's the 300 gram 10 meter lecky cable. That was that one. And there are a couple of welding leads. So we'll probably most likely do these as well. See how we go. I really want to do a fair bit today since it's cool. Watch it when the wind changes, get your hand. She's popping. She's perfectly alright. Right, there we go. we go. Much nicer, these ones. These are spot on. And there's probably going to be a little bit for there. I just feel it's not enough. There we go. Okay. So I only got another 4. I thought we'd get another 5 at least. That is it, my friends. Alright, we'll see if we can tip some of these out. I love copper because it'll just come out straight away. Aluminium is so much harder. That is hot. Ooh, are they steaming hot? Alright, let's try a different angle. Okay. What are we looking at here? Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you how I've buffed these so far. Just give this, best way to buff it is get one of these, but have a polisher do it. You can regulate the speed then. There you go. Right now we'll go away all these. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we'll go take this inside and weigh them. Okay, so got that on 0. Look at that, beautiful. So got 950, 1877, nearly 3. What do we got? 4, 9, 6, 8. There's 8 kilo. 8.5. 8.5 kilo. I should crinkle sides up. Put the crinkle side up, looks good. There you go. Alright, put that in the stack. 8.5 kilo there. Doesn't it look good? Put these 2 round ones in first. So I've got a couple of round ones here. Can't quite see them all. How many was that? Sorry. 2 round ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, shit. You know what? I forgot how much it was. What was it again? 8. 8.5. There you go. 8.5 kilos. Pretty good, isn't it? Put that in there. There you go. It's all dark in there. Oops. Did not like that, did it? Oh, come on. It's being a little pooper. Don't want to play the game there. Eight and a half. Oh, put some on the top here. There you go. I don't know how much this shelf's going to hold. There you go, look at that. Oh, rightio guys. Alright, cheers for watching. Hope subscribe if you want. That was a big day. Alright, cheers guys.